I'm Dead Ed, and this is Dead News. Today on Dead News, we raise our chainsaws one last time in honor of Tobe Hooper. And we go outside, check the weather with Mr. Bones. And we have a specialist to come in to tell us what's going on in Texas. Can't wait. Cast and crew to Dead Dollies TV will be on Verge of Sanity Radio next Thursday, September 7th. And on September 8th, the Creepy Manor show will be premiering. Now, let's raise them chainsaws one last time in honor of Tobe Hooper. Rest in peace, Tobe. Now here's our specialist to tell us what's going on down in Texas.
What's happening in Texas is a lot of water. It's flooding. That's all.
Well, there's our specialist from Texas telling us what's going on in Texas. Speaking of all this rain, let's go out and check the weather with Mr. Bones. What's the weather like, Mr. Bones?
Well, it's moist out. Very moist.
Well, there you have it, the weather. Moist. And now, a Dead News commercial break. Don't forget, folks, only 3 weeks left till New Jersey HorrorCon and Film Festival. They don't just have one movie reunion, they have several. Check it out. New Jersey HorrorCon and Film Festival, September 22nd to the 24th. Don't miss out. You've been warned. And don't forget, Dead Dollies TV will be premiering live on Verge of Sanity Radio. Check it out. September 7th at 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. The cast and crew to Dead Dollies TV on Verge of Sanity Radio here on Facebook. And don't forget the world premiere of the Dead Dollies TV show Creepy Manor will be premiering on YouTube's Dead Dolly TV. Check it out. Well, that's this week's Dead News. I'm Dead Ed, and I approve this message.